Hey, wanted to show or highlight one of the tools in Sketchup that comes in handy, the tags tool, formerly known as layers, and more commonly known throughout different software programs, Photoshop, as layers. Not really a big fan of them calling it tags and trying to switch it up. I feel like it is more confusing, and but anyways, it's a feature that SketchUp has, and it does still work. I don't find it as intuitive to the user as a standard layer tool on Photoshop or other software programs. But anyhow, this is what we've got, so this is what we'll use. So my tags folder here I've got, and the reason that I'm using this is because as this model that I'm working on continues in complexity, it moves slower. So when I want to zoom in, zoom out, there's lag time, and it just is wasted time in my opinion. And my computer starts to hum, it starts to heat up, I think it might crash. And so a way to kind of solve some of those problems is to come in here and use this tags folder. So what I'll do is I'll hit the little plus icon on the left side, and I'm going to label this retaining walls, and I'll first get rid of these. And the way to do it is create a new tab here, and then use this tag tool right here. I'll select that, and then I can come and select in model the things that I want to disappear. But what I like to do before I start clicking away is hit the eyeball icon, so that as I click, the features that I'm clicking disappear in front of me, so I know that I have selected them properly. So I'll come in on the retaining walls, start clicking, and instead of coming and clicking all these faces away like this, there's a simpler way to do it. So let me restore that with my Command Z, and I'll come in, select tool, triple click everything, and then make it a group. Up on the top left, go to your Edits tab, make a group, and then when I come back into tabs, I can one click and done. And so I'll do that same thing with this retaining wall, triple click, edit, make a group, and away it goes. Okay, and so now I've got that feature, and I can make it visible or I can make it disappear as needed. And then let's make another one. So let's call this one house. And click away the house. And let's go ski chair plus landing pad. Turn off the visibility. And then for this landing pad, I did build this all individually, so I'm going to need to go in and make a group. Triple clicking all of these timber sections. Edit, make a group, click away, and there it goes. And then I can even make another tab for topography. Make that disappear. So hopefully that's helpful, and the more that you can make disappear, the more you can make out of view. the faster the model will operate and the easier it is to work on the aspect that's at hand.